Hello students, I am Yusdet sir, welcoming you in the third part of chapter number 13. In part number 2, I had explained up to number 1 of question number 5. Now we are continuing that sum number 2, okay, of question number 5. Let's start the question. So question is 405, okay, 405. 405. We have to divide with the prime number only. Keep in your mind, prime number I had explained in my previous video, part number 2 of this chapter. So that will, if I divide by 2, if I dividing this number by 2, so it is not possible because 2 2s are 4, then comes 0, then 5 will remain. So I will try with 3. 3 is also a prime number. Let's try with 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 is here, that means 4. 3 3s are 9. 1 is here. 3 5s are 15. हो गया, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इजी है. Now 135 dividing by 3. Try to divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. No, we will take 3 4s are 12 because 12 is less than 13. If it is equal, then we will take. But we have to take the less than because we don't have 13 in our 3 table. So I will here add 1, so it becomes 15. 3 5s are 15. Coming forward, 3 again. 3 1s are 3. 1 adding here, so 3 5s are 15. Moving forward, 3 5s are 15. Oh, see. Now it is not divisible by 3, so we will take 5. 5 ones are 5. Clear? So what we will write here? We will write 3 and 5. We have 3 and 5, so we will write 3 into 5. Okay. How many times 3 we have multiplied? 1 2 3 4. We have multiplied 3 4 times. Okay, and 5 is only 1 time, so you can write 5 raised to 1. Okay, or if you don't want to write 5 raised to 1, then it's also okay. If there is nothing, you can say there is a 1. Clear? So this is my answer for this question. Write down in the book so I can move forward. Okay, now the number 3. So we have to divide with the prime number only. So what we will do? We will try to divide with the 2. So if I am dividing by 2, so it is possible to divide by 2. Let's try it. Okay, you can also try. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, plus 1 here, that means 5. It becomes 14. Means 2 7s are 14. 2 7 14. So here 0 0 will come down. Done. Now again dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 here. 2 5s are 10. Divide by 2. So let's try to divide by 2. 2 6 are 12 and plus 1. It will not divide by 2. Let's try with 3. So 3 4s are 12. It is divisible because 3 4s are 12. 1 here, that means 15. So I can write here 3 5s are 15. Clear? Now again dividing by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 1 here was 4. 3 5s are 15. Again 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are. That's solve. Now write the answer. That is 2, 3 and 5. We use 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 5. First of all, we will write here 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now let's see that how many times 2 multiply. So 1 and 2. 2 is multiply only 2 times. We will exponent 2 raised to 2. And coming on 3. 3 is multiply how many times? 1, 2 and 3. 3 is multiply only 3 times. coming on 5. 5 is only multiplied by 1. So you can write here 1, or else you can leave it also, because if there is nothing, that means it is 1. So you can write like this: 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. This is our answer while using the prime number factorization. So we get the answer. Now moving on, number 4, that is 3600. Right one? This? Okay. You can try by yourself also while I am rubbing, or else write the question in your book. So we start the question and answer both. So that is 3600. 3600. Number 4. So let's divide by 2 first of all. 2 is my prime number, so I will divide by 2. I will always give priority to 2, okay, whenever I am dividing. So 2 ones are 2, plus 1 here, 8 2 is 16, 0 0 will come down. Clear? Now forward. Yes, 2. 9 2 is 18. Clear? 0 0 come down. Again if I divide by 2, it is possible. Let's try it. Try करने में क्या जाता है? 2 4 is 8, plus 1 here, 2 5 is 10, 0. हो गया. Move further. 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and it become 10. So 2 5 is 10. हो गया ये भी. Now again, now here the last term is 5, which is odd number. So if I divide by 2, it will not. But let's see. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 5 remain. So it is not possible to divide by 2. So we will try 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. We want 22. Okay. So it will be equal to 22 or less than 22. So 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21. 3 7 is 21, adding 1 here, that means 22. It becomes 15. So 3 5 is 15. Clear? Moving forward. Now 3 2 is 6, plus 1 here 15. 3 2 is 6, plus 1 7. It becomes 15 now. So 3 5 is 15. Now 25 is always divisible by 5. So I will directly go to 5 only. 5 5 is 25, and 25 ones 5 5 is 25, and 5 ones are 5. I solve this. Now write in exponential form. So I will see that how many number I used. I used 3 numbers, 2 3 and 5. 2 3 and 5. We used these 3 numbers. So now we have to write the exponent. How many exponent we used for 2 3 and 5? So first of all 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4 exponent for 2, 1 2 for 2 exponent for 3, and 5 1 2 exponents for 5. So this is my answer for the question number 5, question 4. Clear? So here the question number 5 is completed. So write down in your book, so we can move further for question number 6. Yes, question number 6. So what is question number 6? Simplify 2 into 10 raised to 3. So first question is 2 into 10 raised to 3. थोड़ी आवाज़ कर रहा है चौक चेंज कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है. So we will simplify this number. 2 remain 2. Now is 10 raised to 3. So I will write here 10 raised to 3. That 10 raised to 3 means we have to multiply 10 3 times. It is my exponent which I already explained you. So I will write 3 times 10s. correct? Now let's multiply this. 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, that means 1000. You can directly write how many zeros I have. 1 2 3 zeros, 3 zeros and 1, completed. Now when 2 is multiplied by 1000, that will give me 0 का 0 रख दो, ठीक है. Then you have to multiply 2 ones are 2, that means 2000. So this is a simplification of number 1, 2 into 10 raised to 3. Now coming on to the number 2 of this question. So what is the question? The question is 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 2 multiply by 2 raised to 2. Yes students, 2 raised to 2. So let's solve this. First of all, 7 is 2 times, so 7 multiply by 7, multiplies multiply, okay. I raised multiply is multiply. 7 raised to 2 means 7 into 7. Clear? Now see, clear? Now 2 raised to 2, that means 2 multiply 2. Understand? Now let's take the answer. 7 sevens are 49. Multiply here. I am putting 2 twos are 4. You have to simplify it, okay? You have to solve. Now as I told you, you have to take the rough side on your book. I will take the rough side on my board, okay? This is my right side. I am taking, so 49 4s are, 4 9s are, you already know, 36. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, that is 17, 18 and 19. So my answer is 196. That means 196. You can do like this also, or else you can make a box that will highlight your answer. Now coming on question 3. What is the question? That is 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. So how we will solve this? Let's see. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that means 2 times 3 multiplying. See here, okay. Now multiply sign, multiply I am putting here, then here is 5. I am resting my 5 here only. Clear? So moving forward, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. मल्टीप्लाई के साइन यहाँ पे रख दो, मल्टीप्लाई, देन 5 का 5. नाउ 8 5s are, yes, 8 5s are 40. So I am writing here my answer 40. So this is my answer for number 3 question. Write down in your book so we can move forward. Now moving on, 4th question. 3 into 4 raised to 4. Okay, 3 into 4 raised to 4. So as I told you, what you have to do? 3 means 3. We have to simply edit 3 here. Multiply means multiply. I am putting here only. Now 4 raised to 4. That means I have to multiply 4 times. So I am multiplying here 4 times. Okay. See here. बाकी सब same to का same. Now taking the answer. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Let's calculate. 6 4s are 24 and 4 is 4, 5 6, 64. Now 64 4s are, that means 4 4s are 16. 6 4 24 and 25. That means 2 5 6. Now 3 into 2 5 6, this means 6 3s are 18, 5 3 15 and 16. 3 to 6 plus 1 7. That means 768 is my answer for this simplification. Correct? Got it? Now number 5. What is number 5? So number 5 is 0 into 10 raised to 2. Yes, it's a good question. When is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to 2? So let's solve this sum. It is very important sum that will ask in your exam. 0 multiply by how many times 10 I have? 2 times 10s. Clear? Now 0 multiply by 10 tens are 100. So 0 multiply by 100, that means 0 only. Yes or no? We have to, so if they ask in question, and if they ask question in 2 marks, you have to do some steps, okay? Otherwise it will don't so good. Yes. So anything which is multiply with 0, whatever, if there is exponential form also, if anything is multiply with 0, your answer will be 0. Clear? Now moving on, question 6, that is 5 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 3. 5 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 3. Let's solve this sum. 5 raised to 2 means 5 into 5. Multiply means multiply. 3 means 3 multiply 3. Sorry, where is the duster? Here is the duster. There is not much space, so I have to rub this. Okay, you don't have to rub in your CW. अब नीचे लिख सकते हो. You can write down in second line, but here I have board. I don't have another option. See, 5 means 2 times 5 into 5. Multiply by 3 times, so 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. ठीक है बच्चा पार्टी? अब देखिए, see here, 5 is 2 times, done 2 times. Multiply means multiply. 3 raised to 3, 1, 2 and 3. Clear? Now 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Clear? Now 25 multiplied by 27, go in your rough side of your textbook, or sorry, in your fair book, or you can say CW. Let's multiply 25 into 27. What will get answer? 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16 and 17, plus 0, 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, anything, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5. So we get 5 plus 0, that means 5, 7 plus 0, that means 7, and 1 plus 5, that means 6. We get the answer 675. थोड़ा उल्टा हो गया कि नहीं? 5 6 7 हो सकता था, है ना? Nevertheless, 675 is my answer for this question. Now students, I had completed the question 6 up to 6 questions. Okay, 5 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. Now the further questions of question number 6, that will we see in the next video. Till then, I am your Stump this lecture. Bye bye.